Kremlin Il-86 aircraft to communicate with nuclear ballistic missile submarines. Russia's Doomsday plane, the Ilyushin Il-80, designed to protect Russian President Vladimir Putin in the event of a nuclear attack, was recently tested to communicate with nuclear submarines through the water column, according to a report by Russian state-owned RIA Novosti on November 16. The Il-80 was tested for communication with submerged strategic missile submarines. The aircraft can maintain regular communication with the submarine through the water column. Nicknamed the Flying Kremlin, the Ilyushin Il-80 is meant to be an airborne command and control post to enable President Putin to retain command over Russian force in the event of a nuclear war, which could fail ground control points, nodes, and communication lines. From this airborne command post, President Putin should be able to issue nuclear strike orders to his forces, including Russia's nuclear ballistic missile submarines, for which reliable communication systems are needed that must function properly underwater. The Ilyushin Il-80 is a Soviet-era aircraft that reportedly first flew in 1985. It was developed using the Ilyushin's Il-86 commercial aircraft model but is still visibly very different from its commercial counterpart. According to open sources, there are 4 Il-80 aircraft. While their deliveries began in 1987, Western media first observed their flights only in 1992, when the aircraft is believed to have been accepted into service. The calling name for the aircraft is Maxdome, although some also refer to it as Camber, a nickname used by commercial navigation for Il-86s. The changes were introduced to protect the passengers from an electromagnetic pulse or nuclear explosion. The number of aircraft's upper deck doors has been reduced, with only one airster remaining. A big SATCOM canoe rests on top of the fuselage in the front with large antennae in its aft. The aircraft's tail also houses a winch for a towed, very low-frequency antenna, while horizontal stabilizers also have space for additional sensors or communication antennas. The aircraft also has 2 sizable electrical generator pods inside its engines, with air intake scoops and jet exhausts at their ends. A retractable refueling probe is placed below the cockpit.